Take that ribbon from your hair, shake it loose and let it fall. Lay it soft against your skin, like the shadow on the wall.
Come lay down by my side till the early morning light. All I'm taking is your time. Help me make it through the night.
I don't care who's right or wrong, I won't try to understand. Let the devil take tomorrow. Lord, tonight I need a friend.
Yesterday is dead and gone.
Yesterday is dead and gone,
And tomorrow's out of sight.
and tomorrow's out of sight. And it's sad to be alone.
Help me make it through the night.
I don't care who's right or wrong, I won't try to understand. Let the devil take tomorrow. Lord, tonight I need a
But
friend.
tonight I need a friend.
Yesterday is dead and gone,
It's dead and gone.
but tomorrow's out of sight.
But tomorrow's out of sight.
And it's sad to be alone. Help me make it through the night.
I don't wanna be alone. Help me make it through the night.
You don't have to be alone. I'll help you make it through the night.
This dance is called through the night. Let me tell you something. What sounds like back, not back, recover, forward, and then quarter, turn around and touch, left foot forward, and right foot forward, and then we're going to help turn left, left step back, and then right foot touch, step down, walk, hold, and then we're going to walk around. First walk with quarter turn right, another one with a quarter turn right, and then the third one to the cross with a quarter turn right, and then the hold. And then the third section you do the side rock, recover, touch, and weight change, and then 3 cross walk, cross, 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 hold. And then we do the rolling forward turn, we do the turn, 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 cross, and then swing your right foot for 2 count, and also make a quarter turn left, and then we do the quick hip sway, right, left, right. Okay, I put everything together. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.